Hello students, welcome you all on this online study platform of Divine Public School. Students, we know that all geometric figures are built by basic figures like points, line segment, rays and plane. So today we will learn about these geometrical shapes. Basic geometrical concepts. In this unit, we will learn about points, line segment and ray. Let us learn about all the concepts. Firstly, we will learn about the plane. We come across a lot of flat surfaces in our everyday life. The top of a table, the surface of a wall, the surface of a paper, etc. All are the flat surfaces. For example, you can see here the tabletop. It is the example of flat surface. Point. A point is a mark of position. Usually, a fine dot with a sharp-edged pencil represents a point. It has no length, breadth or thickness. Here you can see a fine dot here and A is represent the dot. Now let us see the concept of line. The group of dots form a line. It has no definite length, no breadth or thickness. It has no endpoints. You can see here the example of line. Dear students, you can see the arrows both sides of the line. It means a line segment extended endlessly on both sides. Sometimes a line is represented by a small letter that should be L, M, N, etc. In the given figure, here you can see M is a line. Let us move to our next part, that is line segment. Line segment is a part of line which has definite length and two endpoints. For example, the straight path from A to B is called the line segment AB. The distance between the endpoints A and B is called length of AB. Thus, a line segment has a definite length which can be measured. Let us see the next part, ray. Ray is also a part of line which has only one endpoint and no definite length. For example, light of the torch. Dear friends, have you ever observed a narrow beam of lighting emerging from a torch or the light rays from the sun? These lights emerge from the light source and go on endlessly in one direction only. This is the basic concept of a ray. Here, a ray AB has one endpoint, namely A. This endpoint A of ray AB is called its initial point. Measuring line segments. Let us see how to measure the line. To measure a line segment, we need a ruler. One edge of a ruler is marked in centimeters. Each centimeter is divided into 10 equal small divisions, and each small division is called a millimeter. Let us see the example. Measure the length of a given line segment AB. Let us see how to measure. Method. Place the edge of the ruler along the line segment AB, keeping the 0 centimeter mark of the ruler at the point A. Now, read the mark on the ruler at point B. We observe that the end point B is 4 small divisions ahead of 4 centimeter mark. So, the length of AB is 4 centimeter 4 millimeter or 4.4 centimeter. Dear friends, let us see one more example. Draw a line segment of length 9 cm. Method. Place the ruler on the plane of the paper and hold it firmly. Mark a point with a fine pencil against the 0 cm mark of the ruler. Name it point A. By sliding the pencil gently along the edge of the ruler, draw a line segment up to the 9 cm mark on the ruler. Name the point against 9 cm mark as B. Thus, the length of the line segment AB is 9 cm. Now dear students, I hope you nicely understood the concept of basic geometrical concept. So try to solve the problems from your textbook. Thank you.